Hello and welcome. Today, we're introducing two powerful new features on the EnergiTrack platform. Simple to use, but incredibly impactful. Let's start with something simple, but extremely useful. You can now create a list of entities and instantly view their latest values. No graphs, no navigation, just the data you need at a glance. To add this, click on Add Widget and select the Live Summary widget. Now, simply drag in the values you want to monitor. For example, battery state of charge, grid power, or current temperature. Each value is displayed with its most recent reading, making it perfect for quick diagnostics and live monitoring. Sometimes, the simplest tools make the biggest difference. Now, let's move on to something much more advanced. We've introduced satellite-based performance data combined with PV forecasting. This allows you to compare what your system is doing against what it should be doing. To get started, click on Add Widget and select a stacked graph. Now, from the available data sources, you can bring in PV forecast data. You can plot this alongside your actual PV power on the same graph. This makes comparison simple, clear, and immediate. We provide 4 different PV power models. We provide IEC 61724-based DC and AC models. These follow international standards for PV performance monitoring, but do not fully account for real-world losses such as temperature, wind, or panel degradation, which means they are not always accurate. That's why we developed our own advanced models, modeled DC and modeled AC. These take into account all major real-world factors: temperature, wind, panel aging, and system conditions. The result is a significantly more accurate prediction, typically within a 95% margin. Now, when we place forecast data next to actual performance, we can immediately see deviations. Is the system underperforming? Is there a fault? Or is everything working exactly as expected? This level of insight was simply not available before. Just like any other data on the platform, this information can be exported. Click on the Export button, and all forecast and actual data will be included in your report, making analysis, reporting, and client communication effortless. This feature is a game changer for system monitoring and performance validation, and it's available at a highly competitive price point. To learn more about pricing, we encourage you to reach out to Herholtz. With real-time monitoring, advanced forecasting, and simple, powerful tools, EnergiTrack continues to push what's possible in energy management. Thank you for watching.